Before I got into the band, I eagerly followed the musicians around and watched them practice in the town hall or outdoors. I even asked my friend to walk along the beach. We banged hot plates and shook the plastic bottles and sent in them or cola cans filled with pebbles. We made mostly lonely. Little by little, they all got tired of following me around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I did a few auditions. The first time was a disaster. I could get my breath and I started to cry. I just want to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He fixed an appointment for the following week. He explained how to relax and do breathing techniques. So I practiced everything he told me. I went around the house making drum noise, bass noise, and piano sounds. That helped me out. The next time I had prepared everything, but I did not play well because I was still nervous, but not as much as the previous one. I told the leader that I need a bit more time. That the third time was a complete different story. I enjoyed it. Then, one Saturday morning, they played in front of the whole band and they clapped. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the band." The servers displays. I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me the dance uniform.